dual systems because I love my Weston wood chip container, and I have a taste of some smoked wings today after I've been craving all week. So they taught me how to make homemade wood chip containers. So they said put your wood chips in an aluminum pouch, or create an aluminum pouch, seal it tight, and then put holes in it. So that's what we're gonna do. I think that's enough. I'm using my apple wood chips, my busted up ash wood. I've been washing dishes since I got it because my two daughters don't know how to wash dishes. Where my husband? That's why they don't know how to do it. But anyway, that's another video. Mama made that for myself. So we're gonna hold this like this. So I don't know how to make a pouch, so just to me what they meant. I'm gonna seal this like this. Now I gotta go get a goddamn knife or something to poke a hole. Here I am poking holes. Hope this isn't gonna turn into a long video for y'all. I don't like long videos unless they're funny. But I don't catch my sense of humor, so anyway. Poking holes. But you know what? I don't think those. Yeah, here we go. Let's poke holes right here. Alright, I think that might be what they meant. So we're gonna put that like that. And I'm gonna take you out with me. So here's my wood chip pouch. I'm gonna put it in here at the bottom like the other one was to go. And here's the crate, or grate, whatever you call it. And now I'm gonna I gotta season my chicken and put them on, and then I'll post a video of that. So hang on. Okay, chicken is seasoned. Now we throwing them in. I think I have too many appliances because how do you lose a wood chip container is beyond me. But I've spent a whole freaking hour looking for them suckers, for that sucker, and I couldn't find it. But anyway, I love my smoker, and I want to get the bigger one. See if I have enough when I get my income tax. But I already got my shopping list is filled when I get my return. I don't even know how much I'm getting back yet, but I'm hoping I get enough back to complete my cart. But anyway, here got all these on. Ooh, can't see any feathers. They're still on. Let's get that over. I don't want no fur. I'll have to pay attention to that one a little later. But yeah, now I'm about to start it. So y'all gonna watch if the house burned down with me. Okay, I'm putting the probe in. See? Didn't lose that. That goes in. Plugging this in. Let's start this jive turkey up. I'm gonna start it with the other plug because I don't need to be going in no basement. We starting nothing. Not today. Hold on, y'all. I gotta pause y'all. That was a workout. Alright, so we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna go with hot. And we're gonna go with smoke. I'm gonna set the time. Wait, how long ago have I used this and I forgot? No. Okay, we're gonna go up to 200. I remember now. Smoke, probe, Let it start. It's going. Now let's wait until it smokes. Then I'm gonna go take me a little shower and get ready for the day. She is starting to smoke. You see it? Not a lot of smoke like it would if I had my wood tin, but we getting there. Ooh, we smoking. The wings is high as hell. So now they're in the air fryer to get crispy, sprayed and seasoned again. And those are done. Smoked wings. Indoor smoked wings in my Weston smoker.